This is the DK-2800 Mark II Plus Series Wi-Fi Keypad. This series of keypad can be controlled by the app AccessPlus. The app is now available on iOS Apple App Store and Android Google Play Store. This video will be separated into 4 parts. The first part will show the app remote control for output 1, 2, 3, and the doorbell output of the keypad. The second part will show the alarm record from the app and the keypad. The third part will show how to set up a temporary password from the app to the keypad. And the last part will show the access record checking from the app. Here we have a demo keypad, DK-2800. The keypad is connected to the Wi-Fi and can be controlled by the app AccessPlus. Now, we come for the first part, app remote control. In the app, you can see there are 4 main buttons. The big one is going to control output 1. The second one is going to control output 2. The third one is going to control output 3. And the fourth one is going to control the doorbell output. When a user wants to control output 1, they need to press and hold the output 1 buttons for 3 seconds until it has motion. Output 2 as well. Output 3. And the doorbell output. There is no distance limitation for user to do remote control for their keypad. Once the phone has internet network, they can do remote control anywhere and anytime. Now, we come for the second part, alarm record in the app and keypad. There are 6 types of alarm record. They are access decline, door prop up, door force open, duress alarm, hijack alarm, and doorbell alarm. Access decline and doorbell alarm notification. Door prop up, door force open, duress alarm, and hijack alarm will have long notification. Now, I'm going to show you access decline and doorbell alarm. Access decline is someone going to press the wrong password or present a wrong card, such as. And the doorbell alarm. These 2 alarms don't need to set up, but door prop up, door force open, duress alarm, and hijack alarm need to be set up. Door prop up alarm is setting up in programming location 81. Door prop up means user forget to close the door. The magnetic contact is the door. Door force open alarm is setting up in programming location 80 or 91. Door force open means user open the door directly without entering password or card. Duress alarm is set up from programming location 41, 42, or 43. When user insert a duress code to the keypad, then the duress alarm notification will notice the end user. All the alarm record can be viewed on the phone. You can see here is an alarm button. Press the alarm button. You can see all the alarm record and the doorbell alarm record. Now, we come for the third part. Set up temporary password. Temporary password is a password used for a period. It can be now or for the future. Temporary password is a password set up from the phone. End user can see in the app there is a temporary password key. When you press in and then press add, you can randomly generate a password or insert the password yourself. Then insert the password name. Choose the effect time and the failure time. After you finish, press done. The password will save in the internet for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the keypad will download the temporary password from the internet. If end user does not want to wait for 15 minutes, they can insert an instant code in the keypad. The instant code is 18#. After you press 18#, the keypad will ask the internet for the temporary password, and the temporary password can be used immediately. If user set the password for the future, such as 1 hour later or tomorrow, they don't need to use the instant code. They just need to wait for 15 minutes, wait for the keypad to download the temporary password from the internet. Once it downloads, the keypad will remember the temporary password for the future. The temporary password is valid according to the time you set up from the app. It will be deleted automatically if the password is time's up. Now, we come for the last part, record review. Record review is for end user to view all the access record from the phone. End user can see all the access record by pressing the record button. When you get in, you can see all the access record, including using remote control to unlock output 1, 2, and 3, using temporary password to unlock output 1, and using card and PIN to unlock output 1, 2, and 3. If you have any more questions, please feel free to ask. We are welcome questions and answer. Looking forward to your reply. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Wait, here is some more functions. Hey Siri, open the door.
Okay, done.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.